Hello, my dear students. This is video is about Prezi writing. Previously, we have already discussed about the Prezi writing. We have studied about the instructions, how to attempt the Prezi writing, and some rules of a good Prezi. Further, this will help the students who are going to appear in CSS, PCS, SPSC level. All they have some difficulties in solving Prezi writings. So basically, I have attempted 25 sentences of Prezi writing. Hope these will help you a lot and understand the Prezi writing well. So the topic of discussion is from loose sentences to compact sentences. First, sentences. There are countless places without a bit of cleanliness. Now you have to change this into Prezi writing. You have to shorten this sentence. Just pause the video and try to shorten it. What will be the compact sentence of this loose sentence? There are countless places without a bit of cleanliness. See, let's move. See what will be the compact sentence of this loose sentence. It's there are countless dirty places. There are countless dirty places. See, we have changed countless places without a bit of cleanliness. We have changed it into dirty places. We are moving towards second sentences. That is, we need workers with proper knowledge of their work. With proper knowledge of their work. What will be the word of this with whole phrase? With proper knowledge of their work. Pause the video and think for a second. What will be the a compact word for this phrase? Let's see. We are moving towards the next slide. What will be the Prezi or compact sentence of this one? We need workers with proper knowledge of their work. We need skilled workers. Now we changed with proper knowledge of their work to skilled workers. Okay, let's move to the third slide. Third sentence. Farmers always wish to grow crops with a lot of production. Farmers always wish to grow crops with a lot of production. Crops with a lot of production. What will be the compact sentence of this loose sentence? Pause the video and write on your book how did you attempt this one and check the answer. See the compact sentence of this loose sentence. Farmer wish to grow rich crops. Now we changed it with a lot of production into rich crops. Farmers wish to grow rich crops. So we are moving towards our fourth sentence. People with low understanding and wisdom face many difficulties. Okay. People with low understanding and wisdom face many difficulties. Now pause the video and write the compact sentence of this loose sentence in your copy and see whether your answer is correct or not. So this will be foolish face many hardships. Foolish face many hardships. People with low understanding and wisdom. We changed this whole phrase, people with low understanding and wisdom, into foolish. Okay, foolish face many difficulties. This is the compact sentence of that previous loose sentence. Let's move us to the fifth sentence. It is hard to travel by bus carrying passengers more than its seats. See, this is a loose sentence. What will be the compact sentence of this? Let's see. Pause the video again and write on your copy. See what will be the compact sentence of this sentence. We are moving towards the next slide and check your answer. It is hard to travel by crowded bus. Now we changed passengers more than its seats means crowded bus, means crowded bus. Number 6 sentence, he avoids buying things with prices more than normal. Now this is a loose sentence. We will change it into complex sentence. See what will be the complex sentence of this one. He avoids buying costly or expensive things. Now we changed it with prices more than normal. With prices more than normal, this is a phrase. We change this phrase into a single word, that is expensive things. Okay. Uh, with expensive things, or you can also say costly things. Number 7 sentence, he offered prayer with a deep feeling of his heart. Now with deep feeling of his heart, this is a phrase, this is a loose sentence. What will be the compact of this sentence? Again, you may pause the video and write on your copy and check your answers whether your answer was right or wrong. See, he offered prayer cordially or honestly. Okay, cordially or honestly with a deep feeling of his heart. We change this phrase into cordially or honestly. Okay, see, we are moving towards the next sentence, number 8. I purchased a book with a lot of information. With a lot of information. Now, with a lot of information, we need to change this phrase into a single word. Think about it, what will be the single word of this one? With a lot of information. Pause the video and write on your copy. Whether you wrote right or wrong, check your answer. I purchased a book with a lot of information. I purchased an informative book. Now we changed it with a lot of information to an informative book. Now we are moving towards number 9 sentence. There are the streets with small space. Now we changed with small space into a single word. This is a loose sentence. We need to change it into a compact sentence. Think for a while what will be the compact sentence of this one, this loose sentence. See, there are narrow streets. We changed with a small space into narrow streets. There are narrow streets. This is a compact sentence of previous one. We are moving towards number 10 sentence. We must keep dealing having honest approach. This having honest approach. This is a loose sentence. We need to change it into compact sentences. Sentence. What will be the compact sentence? See, we must keep fair or honest dealing. We must keep fair or honest dealing. This is from loose sentences to compact sentences part 1. Must watch my part 2 video on the same topic from loose sentences into compact sentences, and never forget to subscribe my channel if you like it, and also click the button of bell button as you get my notification of all upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.